Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast.
Today is Wednesday, September 28, 2022.
Please stand to join me in a pledge of allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Pause for a moment of silence. You may be seated. Wednesday, September 28, muffins and sausage, juice choice, fruit choice, breaded chicken sandwiches, sweet peas, french fries, juice of choice, fruit of choice.
Wednesday's weather. High of 81, low of 55, mostly sunny, windy, 0% chance of rain.
Today's announcements. Please post attendance between 8:20 and 8:30. Grades. Please print weekly grade books for each course or keep an updated electronic copy each week just in case. Please continue sending the envelopes with the prize codes to the office in your snack bag. Prizes will be delivered soon. Late duty September. Miss Check, September 27, Miss Hamlin, September 28, Miss Bolton, September 29th, Miss Arch, and September 30th, Miss Lowe.
Important dates. September 30th, Feel Good Friday. September 30th, Going Gold for Maddie. Wear a gold shirt for $1 donation to St. Jude's. October 3rd, Environmental Center presentation for 2nd and 3rd. October 6th, United Way Out of Uniform for $2. October 7th, End of First Quarter. October 10th, No School Teacher Workday. October 11th, Second Quarter begins. October 14th and 15th, Grade Field Trip to 5th grade field trip to Davidson. October 17th through 21st, Book Fair. October 17th, Red Cross Blood Mobile. October 21st, Kona Ice. October 24th through 28th, Red Ribbon Rink.
Today's happy birthday, Graham Lowe Madison Johnson.
Send us your questions. Question of the day. Are you curious about something? Always wondered how something works? Send us your question and it may be chosen for the question of the day and be answered by our research team. You can submit the questions to the question box that will be located on the library.
Question of the day. How long do sharks live? Sharks live from 20 to 30 years. If there was a shark born when you were born, you have a shark that's as old as you.
That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday.